Okay, EPC guy here. I just got interrupted making my movie by someone who called about a computer. So, um, this movie is to change the start button's wording. Up here it says XP Hacker. This is EPC guy. First thing you're gonna do is go to all programs, accessories, system tools, and system restore. Create a system restore by clicking create restore point. Then name it, I would suggest, before I did Explorer Hack or whatever. Anyways, so I'm not gonna do that. And if anything does go wrong, you're gonna go Control Alt Delete, which is Task Manager. I'm sure everybody knew that. And then you're gonna go New Task right here, and then you're gonna go Open. Type in Windows, Windows, folder, or not folder, sorry. What's that? Oh, there it is. Windows, and then Explorer.exe, and you should be back to normal. So, but just system restore, it shouldn't do anything, but it might. Okay, first thing you're gonna do is go to Google and search Resource Hacker, RESOURCE. I'm not quite sure, SE, but C or U or whatever. Anyways, once you get to here, I'll do it. Resource Hacker. This is a pretty nice CE. It's going to be the first one, angusj.com/resourcehacker. So once you open that, it's going to look like this. You're going to scroll all the way down to where it says download sites for version 3.0, 3.4.0. Download the Europe one, because there's no United States. Save it as Resource Hacker, Res Hacker, whatever you want to save it as. So once you've done that, you should have it saved under whatever. So let me see if I can't find mine, because I already have mine. So probably under my thing. Then we're gonna go Res Hacker. Okay, so once you extract all and stuff, you should come up with something that looks like this top icon. You're going to okay, so create the once you're got this, you're going to go to now that you know you have that. Okay, my computer. Then you're going to go to local disk C, Windows. Go to the Find Explorer right here. Okay, copy, and go to local disk C and paste it in here. Okay, because we're dealing with the Explorer, and that's something that could really screw up your computer. So just do that. Once you've pasted it in the C drive as backup, or do a new folder, or just leave it there so you know. It doesn't really matter. Once you've done that, you're going to so save it as whatever, and then go to where you saved Res Hacker or Resource Hacker. So we're gonna go into my stuff folder, and then my Andrew folder, and then my Res Hacker folder. Then you're gonna click on it, and then you're gonna click File, Open, Windows, and then Explorer. Windows, Open, Windows, Open. Come on! Oh my goodness. Okay, let me try this one more time. Open, Windows, or you can go local disk C, Windows, open. Windows open. There we go. Now, then you're going. Oh yeah, Windows. Windows, and then find Explorer. Let's try to think. Here it is. FD. Let's try to find it. Let's try to find Explorer EX. There it is. .exe. Open. There we go. Yay. Now you're gonna go to string table. 37. Okay. Now this is the part where you really need to. Okay, where it says right here, start. Name it whatever. So mine's XP Hacker. I'm not gonna redo it. Compile script. So once you've done that, it's this button up here. So here, compile script. Okay. So once you've compiled the script, save it as in the Windows folder. Save it as here, I'll do it. XP HACKER. XP Hacker. Okay, compile script. Now you're gonna go into File, Save As, in the Windows folder. File, Save As, in the Windows folder, Explorer hack.exe. So Explorer hack.exe. Make sure you do exe so that you can execute it. Exe means executable. So save that. Click. Okay, pretend like I did that. So once you've saved it in the Windows folder as Explorer Hack, you're going to .exe. Make sure you save it as exe. Save it and then find it. Well, never mind. Don't find it. So you're going to go into Run, and then type regedit, 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 regedit. Open that. So once we're in regedit, you're going to click on H key. Whoops, A6. Okay, let me start this all over up here. H key local machine. Open that. Then you're going to go into software. So H key local machine software. Open that. Then find after software, find Microsoft, and then where is Microsoft? Microsoft. Open that. Open Microsoft, like, you know, the little plus button. Then you're gonna find Windows NT. Windows NT. So Windows NT. Open that by the plus button. Current version. And then Windows NT, current version, WinLogon. Okay. Once you get to WinLogon, you're gonna just click on it. Don't push plus, just click on WinLogon, the folder little thing. And then where it says shell, which is right here, you're going to double click it and open where it says value data, save it as Explorer Hack or whatever you named the little compile script thing, you know what I mean, as .exe. Okay, so push OK. and then restart your computer, and you should have it. So once you restarted your computer, you you will have it saying whatever you typed in. Okay? So if that didn't work, try it again. Or I don't know why it would, but if it doesn't, leave me a comment and I'll see if I maybe left something out in the movie or something. I don't know. So, EPC guy here. Thanks for watching. I will have a EPC here pretty soon. 1000H, which is this computer in as my background. Runs on Windows XP. Really nice computer. So I'll do all the review and stuff on that.